A new treatment for COVID-19 is in development by an Australian company and it has medical experts extremely hopeful.
Yeah, this is incredible, this. Initial trials of the stem cell treatment in the United States in critical patients has shown 83% survival rate. Joining us now is CEO of Mesoplast, Silvia Itescu in Melbourne. Good morning to you, Silvia. This is incredible stuff. Take us through how the treatment works.
Good morning. Thanks for having me. The main cause of death in coronavirus infection is actually due to the fact that the immune system is overreactive when the virus is in the lining of the lungs. And really the objective of many people is to try to dampen down that immune system that overreacts. We're developing a cell therapy. We've been developing it for many years that has the ability, when you infuse the cells, they go straight to the lungs, and they're able to tame down the excessive immune response in a way that allows the immune system to fight the virus in its natural way without overreacting and without destroying the healthy lung tissue. That's the objective. And yeah.
I mean, in the human trials in the UK and in the US, we're seeing this extraordinary success rate. How long until we might see this treatment available in Australia?
Well, we've treated 12 patients. We're about to start a phase 3 trial of about 300 patients. That will probably take about 3 to 4 months to complete. And if the results are good, we hope to be able to get the treatment approved in the US and also in Australia. In the meantime, we will do a parallel study in Australia across sites in Melbourne and in Sydney. So we hope to have the full set of data over the next 4 months or so, 5 months, to be able to assess whether the pilot data that we've seen today can be replicated.
So that will fill in the dots a little bit more. Even to get FDA approval that quickly for these trials, these small trials in the US and then the UK, is a testament to obviously all the work that you've done, also the success of it. Will it have, and could it have, other applications?
Well, that's actually really important. We've been developing this therapy for other applications, in fact, and we're in the midst of getting FDA approval, we hope, for the treatment of a terrible disease called graft versus host disease, which is an inflammation that occurs when a bone marrow transplant attacks your own body after cancer therapy. We've had positive phase 3 results. We've filed for FDA approval, and we hope to receive FDA approval in the US over the next few months. The mechanism by which the cells switch off the active immune system in that disease is very similar to what we think that they do in the lungs of these patients. And that was the whole rationale of moving from one disease to try to target another disease. And that's the benefit and the strength of this type of therapy.
Well, Silvia,
it has broad applications.
It's extraordinary to see an Australian company at the forefront of this research. Good luck with it. We can't wait to see what happens. We appreciate your time this morning.
Yeah, if you can somehow eliminate the number of people who die from it, the fatality aspect of it, and they've got an 85% success rate already.
And that's dealing with people who've got in that severe stage who are on ventilators. It's pretty exciting.
Huge leap forward, yeah.